Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Asma. Today we are from Group 6. We would like to present our project called Online Book System. Without further ado, let me introduce myself and my group members. My name is NURUL Hanis and my group members are NURUL, EZBOOK, NABILA SAHIRA and SITI ABILAH. The content of this presentation is shown here as stated. So let me start with the introduction of this project. The aim of this project was to provide a virtual bookstore system to ease the students to have their own textbooks and other reference for their studies and help students with financial problems by having affordable books. Next, what was the project problem? Due to COVID-19, the situation is so concerning and has postponed some events such as running a formal educational system. The virus can be spread through the physical activities or any direct interaction. Most students are having issues financially and struggling with online learning. This is the project overview. This bookstore application entitled EZBOOK will for the student to find reading materials to cope with difficulties during online distance learning. Our market target is the students from all over Malaysia, and what we expect from this project was students can afford books to study with this flexible system. The objective of this project was to develop an online book system which helps students to purchase books, to provide ebooks and printed books for students, and to practice physical distancing.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is IFFAH and now I will be presenting about the software process model that we have chose. So we chose unified process model because one of the advantages is that it allows the adaptive capability to deal with changing requirements throughout the development lifecycle, whether they be from customers or within the project itself. So in this process model, there are 4 phases, which is the first one is inception phases, the second one is elaboration phase, and the third one is construction phase, and the last one is transition phase. So for the inception phase, it includes communications and planning. So we have communicated within our group members and we discussed what is the main problem faced by students during this pandemic. Hence, we have listed down all the objectives that need to be achieved in this project. We have also estimated the potential risks, the overall cost, and the schedule for the entire project to ensure the process of finalizing our project is able to run smoothly and to be clear of major scenarios that may happen in the future. In the elaboration phase, it includes planning and modeling. The main goals that have been accomplished in this phase are understanding and eliminating the high priority risks of the project and producing a proven architectural baseline for the system. We have also elaborated and finalized the use case model, the class diagram, and architectural diagram. And we also have developed a project plan to ensure that the critical tools, processes, standards, and guidelines have been put in place for the construction phase. In the construction phase, we have performed strict testing and the optimization process has been done because we mainly focus on implementing the software. We also have minimized the risk and eliminated it. We have ensured that the viability of the system is always proven in a workable form because one of the goals is that our system meets the user's needs and fits into our overall system portfolio. We also have finalized the design model for our project for implementation and testing activities, which we have completed the development of software system components. And lastly, for the transition phase, we have tested and validated our complete system. We have trained the users of the online book system and deployed our system into production. And in this phase, we were focusing on correcting defects and modifying the system to correct the previous unidentified problems. And lastly, we have tried to solve the issues that come from the users' feedback, such as the failures from our system, or if they want us to improve the system itself.
Okay, now I'm NABILA SAHIRA. I will continue to present proposed function. This is the context diagram for online book system. The context diagram represents the online book system and its environment where the external entities were the seller, customers, and also the bank, while the data stores were the shopping cart and also the order database. So these are all the list of functional requirements and their description. The first one is sign up, which is customer should be able to create an account and become a user. And we proceed to the sign in. User should be able to enter username and password. For the booking system should be available for 24 hours. And then after that is view books. User should be able to view books information in the view books. For the shopping cart, user should be able to add or remove books from the shopping cart. The next one is checkout orders. User should be able to view the shopping activity information. And then we can proceed to the payment method, which is user should be able to choose payment method. And the last one is shipping details. Seller should be able to notify user on the status of the order. So this is the use case diagram for online book system EZBOOK. The use case diagram represents the users who are the new customer and the registered customer and the seller, including the main scenarios involved in the application system, which are registered account, sign-in account, order books, deliver books, notify order status, and also receive books.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti ABILAH binti Kasirin, matrix number 1927696. I will present about the product functionality for online book system. So the major function for online book system is to be utilized by students to buy any books that they wanted using an online system. So in the system, the students may search any books that they wanted to purchase, and it also provided the student with the book details and the description for each book. So in the book details, it has the author, publisher, the pages, and also the chapter that are included in the book. So once they finish added the book to the shopping cart and they confirm to order the book, they may proceed with the payment method. So in the payment method, it has two choices, which is online banking, and the other one is the credit or debit card. So once they finish with the payment method, the system will receive the order from the customer and it will continue with the shipping process.
Now, we would like to show you our EZBOOK application prototype.
Okay, this is the application for our system. Okay, welcome to EZBOOK. This is the main page for the application. In the main page, it has a sign in and sign up button. If the users are new to this application, the users need to click sign up button to register. The users need to fill in the details to register. They need to enter their username, password, email address, home address, and also their phone number. After they finish register, they need to click on the sign up button, and it will go back to the main page of the application. Next, they need to click to sign in the application and fill in the username and the password. If the users enter the wrong username or password, the system will display an error message. Okay. Once the users enter the right username and password, it will go directly to the main page where the users can start to search or purchase the books. Okay. This is the main page. At the top of the main page, it has home icon. Next, it has a trolley icon that will show the shipping cart. Next to the trolley icon, it has a chart icon that will show the shipping details. It also has the search bar, so the users can search any books that they want. It also shows the variation of the books to the users to select. And if they want to see the details of the book, they can click to the image of the books. Okay, once they click, it will go directly to the book details page. In the book details page, it will show the title of the book, the price, and also the description of the books. In the description, it has the title, the ISBN number, the author, the publisher, the pages, and also the chapter that are included in the book. If they want to purchase the book, they may click to the Add to Cart button. Okay. Next, I will pass to Sister IFFAH.
Okay, so for the shopping cart, it will display all of the books that the user has added into the shopping cart. If the user want to increase the quantity of the book, for example, this book, Introduction to Java Programming, the user may click the plus button, or if they want to reduce the amount of the book or remove the book itself, they may click on the minus button. However, if the user wants to continue shopping and find or search any other books, they may click on the home icon button, and it will go directly to the main page and the user may search any other books. But if they decide not to search any books, they want to proceed with the books listed, they may click on the shopping cart icon. And in the shopping cart page, at the bottom of the page, it will show the subtotal price of the books that the user has added into the shopping cart. And once the user wants to proceed buying or purchasing these books that they have added, they may click on the checkout button. And it will go directly to the payment method. And now I will pass to Sister Hanis.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Hanis. I'm going to present the payment method interface. This interface is where the user can proceed with their checking out process. The payment methods are listed on the page. The user may opt to one option. It's either online banking or credit or debit card. Now on the online banking button, the icon will directly bring the user to the prospective online banking site. And then for the credit and debit card, user need to enter the card details, and if the payment procedure is unsuccessful, the system will show the unsuccessful pop-up message. Otherwise, if the payment is successful, they can finally track the status in shipping details. That's all for me. I'm going to pass to Sister NABILA.
Thank you, Sister Hanis. Okay, my name is NABILA SAHIRA. Now I will continue to explain the shipping order details process. Okay, now the customer will click on the track button, then the system will display the details of the shipping order process. So in the shipping details, it will show the order number and the tracking number at the top of the screen. And then every process involved here will be updated from time to time, including current location of the books. The shipping details will show the date and time below of every process that has been updated. The system will automatically update every movement of the book in the flow of the shipping details, starting from the book pick up until the book has been delivered to the customer. The customer case ends when the user receives the books delivered to the user, and the user may click the home button to continue shipping. The customer case ends when the user receives the book delivered, and the user may click the home button to continue shopping. That's all from us.
And last but not least, the reflection. This online book system gives a lot of benefits for students, and we learn how to handle pressures in this pandemic situation, as we can only do discussion through online platforms, and we managed to achieve a strong outcome, thus enhancing our knowledge, competencies, and empowering the group as a whole. That's all from us. Thank you.